Hi there and welcome to the product update of July 2025. So it's been a pretty busy month and actually a pretty busy summer. In terms of new features, we have released here 4 new features in July, and we have a huge feature which is capacity planning that we are going to release in August. So let's go and get started in the feature. But actually, before, let me just show you that, again, you can upload all of the feedback, send us all of the feedback that you need by going to feedback.manyrequests.com. I'll add a link in the description below. We really like to listen to our customers. We have a public roadmap as well that you can see here, as well as a change log where you can see basically almost every week the new updates that we have released. So let's get started with the update. So the first feature that we have released last month is versioning. So as you can see here, you can see that a specific person uploaded a new version, and this works both for image, PDFs, and also video, which is another update this month. So you can just click on add new version, and then this is gonna upload the latest version, and then your team can then just switch between versions, and that's super helpful. You don't need to have like 10 different examples of images, or you don't need to rename them. You can just switch between versions here. So that's very helpful. The second big update that we have as well is that we have now video timestamps. So you can just play a video here, and then you can just pause, or you can even, when the video is playing, you can just add a timestamp here and then just add your feedback. And whenever you add a feedback as well, this will also add here a comment and in the request, so that's super helpful as well. So the third feature that we have is AI. So you can see here that we have now an AI button here. So if you add some small text here, you need, I think, 15 characters minimum, then you can just rewrite it with AI. So this is still an experimental feature. So as you can see here, I just said I will give you an update on Friday, and this just took the context of the request and basically added a whole comment. So this saves you a lot of time when writing the comments and also just fixing typos, for example. Okay, so the fourth feature that we have is extension. So extension, let me go here to modules and extension to show it to you. So the way it works is that you can add different links to the client sidebar, but now it also works for team members. So here I've added an extension called SOP. Just as a reminder, we have all of these extensions. So these are tools that you can embed into your client portal. So for example, currently, if you want your clients to see book a demo call with us in the sidebar, you can do that. But we also have, for example, YouTube or Google Sheets, as well as custom iframe and external links. So in case you cannot see the extension you want, just simply use custom iframe or external link, which is what I've done here. I've used custom iframe, and then you can then add or embed basically anything in a portal. So in this case, this now works for team members. This previously only worked for clients. So if I log in here as a team member, so I think I put it on this one, I'm gonna impersonate this team member. And then here, I can see here that I've added the extension. So you can add, for example, internal documents or SOPs here. So here I've added a Google Docs, and there's basically a lot of different things that you can do here. So yeah, that's it for this month. I'm very excited also for what's coming up next month. As I said, we are working on workload and capacity management module, as well as estimates. So it's gonna be very interesting to just manage your team better and see how busy they are, and just to basically assign the task better as well. So stay tuned for the next update. If you enjoyed this update, just leave a comment below. Let us know as well as usual what you need, and then yeah, we'll add that to the roadmap hopefully. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.